Anyone familiar with Bermuda will recall the Fairmont Southampton Resort, sister property to the Hamilton Princess. In 2020, the Southampton closed for a total renovation, but is scheduled to reopen in 2025. Until then, you can plan your stay at the Hamilton Princess and Beach Club, managed by Fairmont. They call it a perfect escape, for good reason. The Hamilton Princess, it's a chic urban retreat in a relaxed setting, offering a gorgeous marina, fine dining, infinity pool, fabulous private beach with water sports, luxury furnishings, spectacular views, exclusive works of art, and most of all, just being in Bermuda. Remembering the Fairmont Southampton before 2020, and because it will reopen in 2025, here is a video we shot before it closed for renovations. Watch.
For your perfect luxurious stay in Bermuda, here are two of Bermuda's great resort hotels. One is the centerpiece of Bermuda's business and social life, right in the heart of Hamilton. The other is a picturesque tropical paradise with its own private beach and breathtaking views across the island. The Fairmont Hamilton Princess and the Fairmont Southampton Resort. These two sister properties share all the luxury amenities that each has to offer.
Mark and Rebecca, I'd like to welcome you to Bermuda, the jewel of the Atlantic. And I'd like to extend a special welcome to your viewers to Bermuda and the Fairmont Southampton, Bermuda's largest resort hotel. We have 593 rooms situated on 100 acres of pristine, prime property here in the beautiful parish of Southampton. There are 6 restaurants on the property, our world-renowned spa, the Willow Stream Spa, for which Fairmont has become very famous, our own beach, dive, golf, tennis facilities, and we also operate a complimentary ferry which runs between the two hotels here in Bermuda, the Fairmont Southampton and the Fairmont Hamilton Princess. One of the most famous comments that we hear from our guests that stay with us here at the Fairmont is how well they are treated, and it is really a sophisticated elegance in a relaxed atmosphere, which we have certainly become synonymous with here on the island. I would like to invite all of your viewers to come to Bermuda, and when considering a visit to Bermuda, that they will consider the Fairmont Southampton, and remember that those things which have made Bermuda famous and keeps our guests coming back year after year. It's safe, it's clean, and the people are very, very friendly. And we are very, very close to home.
Now all aboard the Princess Ferry, which takes us from one pink lady to another pink lady.
Good evening and welcome to the Fairmont Hamilton Princess. My name is Scott Hoadley. I'm the Director of Operations, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Bermuda's only luxury urban resort. Located on the beautiful shores of Hamilton's Inner Harbor, this full-service property offers a number of state-of-the-art amenities, business center, restaurant, 24-hour room service. We've got 2 absolutely gorgeous pools here for your use. Each and every year, the Goodwill Games are held here in Bermuda, and we're delighted to be a part of the success of that event. The guests at Hamilton Princess are fortunate enough to have access to all of the facilities at the Fairmont Southampton. We look forward to welcoming you to Bermuda so that you can experience her traditions, her beauty, her wonderful golf, her unique hospitality, and Bermuda's only luxury urban resort, the Fairmont Hamilton Princess.